Hey guys, this is Lysander's Transfers Productions. We are presented. The honor happened at 6/14/2006. Two BNSF locomotives collisions together happened at 5:51 a.m. takes place in Madera, California. The Kismit train collision was a train wreck that happened 19 years ago involving two BNSF trains. The cement train was being led by the BNSF 4479, BNSF 4715, Norfolk Southern 8967, and lastly, BNSF 4576. A manifest train was being led by BNSF 4059, NREX 5473, known as the Conrail, BNSF 1065, FURX 8110, known as the Burlington Northern, BNSF 8110, BNSF 2437, BNSF 7065, and lastly, BNSF 997. When they approached the Kismet sliding at the same time, they collide head-on, but one of the locomotives were repaired after the crash. Chapter 1: Head-on Collision. Where one of the train ran a red signal at 5:51 a.m., guess what had happened? There it goes. The incident occurred in Kismet, California. 5 people were injured in the collision. One of the train crew member who ran the red signal was suspected of being under influence of the train. The reason why they caused a Kismet train collision, the train conductor was suspected of being under the influence of the cocaine, which could have an impair of the judgment to ability to operate the train safety. The collision results in injuries highlighted of the danger signal violation, the potential, the impairment of the train crew. Chapter 2: Aftermath Collision. As for the locomotive involved, but all one made it out. 8110 was eventually sold off to the WebTech Assassin Management, currently operate at the Kansas and Oklahoma Railroad. 2337 went back to BNSF, but later this year it sold off to Larry's Trucks Electronic, as in 2020 they put it in storage in Galveston, Texas. As the early 2022, the locomotive have been moved out of the storage. Can anyone tell me where that locomotive it is, but I don't know what company it is? Please let me know. 107065 also returned to BNSF and later this year was sold to leasing to Norfolk Southern and is currently run as a renumbered to 3517. 4576 was repaired and repainted into an Heritage 2 colors. However, the biggest difference is between a difference of the number below of the cab of 997. 997 dispatch having the freight car go into the cab was repaired and repainted to original Heritage 1 unit, with again the biggest difference at being different fonts of the number 4059 was amazingly repaired and repainted into an original color. BNSF 4479 was also repaired, and despite the damage and substance, however, it was repainted into BNSF Heritage 3 colors, as were 1065 and 4715. 8967 was repaired, and however, in 2019, the locomotive went into Norfolk Southern to rebuild the program and was converted into an AC44C60M as renumbered into 4208. This means the only locomotive it's not repaired to NREX 45473 and was total loss and eventually scrapped. That concludes to my story of it's been 19 years of the collision, 2006 to 2025. Coming up in 2026, there'll be 20th anniversary will be in next June 2026. However, Be sure to like and subscribe and comment on my video, and we'll see you guys next time.